Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a delicious ugwu stew. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need about 450 grams of fresh ugwu leaves and a small bunch of yuzuza leaves for that authentic flavor. For protein, select your favorites like goat meat, stockfish, or dry fish. Don't forget 3/4 cup of palm oil, 6 Scotch bonnet peppers, 1 large onion, and 1/4 cup of ground crayfish. Finally, have 3 seasoning cubes, salt, and some cocoyam paste on hand. Now, let's get our ingredients prepped. Begin by thoroughly washing and finely shredding your ugwu and yuzuza leaves. Proper washing is key. Next, clean and season your protein, like goat meat and stockfish, with salt and seasoning cubes. Cook these until they are tender, then set them aside. For dry fish, soak it in hot water for about 2 minutes, carefully debone it, and rinse well before adding it to your stew later. With your proteins and vegetables ready, it's time to build the stew's rich base. Heat 3/4 cup of palm oil in a pot over medium heat. Add 1 chopped onion and sauté until it's translucent and fragrant. Next, stir in your 6 blended Scotch bonnet peppers, cooking for about 5 minutes to release their flavor. Then, add the cocoyam paste in small lumps, letting it dissolve and naturally thicken your stew base. We're almost there. Now, reintroduce your tender cooked meats and deboned dry fish into the pot. Stir in 1/4 cup of ground crayfish and 3 seasoning cubes, ensuring everything is well combined. Add the shredded yuzuza leaves, allowing them to cook for about 5 to 7 minutes. Lastly, incorporate the shredded ugwu leaves, simmering for just 2 to 3 minutes to maintain their freshness. Serve your delicious ugwu stew hot with your favorite swallow.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.